How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am Vijayalakshmi. In our previous class, we have successfully completed our third chapter, Playing with Numbers. Playing with Numbers. Today, we are start with our new chapter, fourth one, Basic Geometrical Ideas. Fourth chapter, Basic Geometrical Ideas. In our daily life, we are see so many things around us. We see trees, see buildings, we see objects, instruments, appliances, so many things. In all the things, we can find some specific shapes. In all the things, we find some specific shapes. Here, for example, take TV. Let us see some example. In this TV, we find the rectangle shape. Rectangle shape. Whatever different objects are there in objects around us, they have some specific shapes is there. We have so many things around which have some spaces, some shapes, which have some shapes. Sometime we will see the day-to-day life. Let's see. In this rangoli, we have to see the curves. This is also one shape. Now, let us learn the more about some shapes. Now, let us learn about the some more shapes. So, first one. Point. First one, point. Before going to learn the geometrical shapes, first we need to learn the definition of point. A point. Before going to start learn about the geometrical shapes, first you must know about the point. What is point? Point is nothing but small dot. Small dot. For example, if you want to look at some paper, what is point? Point is nothing but a small dot. For example, if you want to look at some paper, take a paper. This is the paper. Look into the paper. Take a pencil sharp. Find dot on the paper. In this paper, you have to put the dot on the pencil. So, see this dot. Look, it's on the paper. Now, dot becomes a point. What is the use of this point? This kind of points are used to look at some area. Some place on a paper or a picture or a map Let's see a line segment. What is a line segment? Before going to learn a line segment, here I am taking the 2 points. We all know a point is denoted by the capital letters. So this A, B. Here I am having 2 points is there. This points can be denoted by the capital letters A, B. Now we are trying to connect some lines. Now we try to connect some lines. So now here we can draw the 3 lines. can draw the three lines. These three lines are connected to A to B. These lines are connected to A to B. These lines are connected to A to B. These lines are connected also A to B. But what is the difference between the A to B? What is the difference between the A to B? In the here in the middle line, least possible distance for A to B. Least possible distance for A to B. So this line is called line segment. This line is called line segment. Among these three lines, middle one A to B, this is the middle line, least possible distance for A to B. So this line is called line segment. Why we called a line segment? Why we call a line segment? Line segment is a line which connects 2 points. A to B by least possible distance. This is considered as the line segments. There are two are not line segments. These two are not line segments. Only A to B, middle one is the, you can call the line segment, because of it is least possible distance between the A to B. So this line is called line segment. The line segment is a line which joins a 2 point. The line segment is a line which joins the 2 points A to B. Here we can represent the number line means AB bar. Coming to third one, A line. What is A line? Let's see. Here how to draw the line segment. Line with 2 points, connect with the least segment. Here I am taking the number 2 points. These 2 points can be joined with the number line. Joined with the line. Here I am taking the 2 points. These 2 points are joined with the line, which you cannot in this line segment, cannot 2 points in this line segment extended. Here extended. Here also extended behind the line part of A and B. Here extended in this way. Let's see. In this, here I am taking 2 points to connect with the line. This is the line segment. This line segment 2 points cannot end. It is extended right A side and B side. Both sides can be extended. This is the A line. This way, this line can be extended A this way and B this way, extended this way. In this line we put some arrows. Marks like this. In this arrows marks shows continuous line. This represent the A line. We write it as a line. We write it as AB bar. AB both arrow marks. So AB both arrow marks. In here we can also represent the small letters L, M, N, etc. Represent the numbers L, M, N, etc. A line is also called as a straight line. Here I will explain it clearly one more time. What is a line? Here I am taking the 2 points A and B. The 2 points connect with the line. This is a line segment. In this line segment, I have to, some of the 2 points, B side of the line is extended, right, left side of the line is also extended. These two lines extended. So in this line we have to put some arrows. This also we have put some arrow marks like this. This arrow marks can be shows continuous line. This represent a line. A line is also called as a straight line. Coming to next one. Array. What is array? Array is a portion of the line. It begins at a point and goes on endless in a specific direction. Here, endless direction. So, here for example, what is array? What is array? Array is a portion of the line. It begins at a point. Here begins with a point and goes an endless a specific direction. This array has only one end point. Let us see. In this same, it only one direction. It ends at one point. So this is the array. Okay, let's see here. I want to do the line. In this line, I have to put some points A, B, C. Here I am taking the line. Put the middle one as a point as A. And B and C are the 2 points on the same line. So here in this, the directions will move this way and this way. So this array is AC bar plus AC bar also and AB bar also. AC bar and AB bar. This is the array. In this, I will explain clearly one more time what is array. Array is a portion of the line. It begins at the one point and goes on endless. It is specific direction. Means thus the array is only one end point. One end point. This is the array. Using this today concepts, a line segment, line, point, third one array. By using these concepts, today we are doing some problems. Our exercise number 4.1. Let us see. First one. Discussing topics. By using these topics, today we are doing some problems on these concepts. In previously we were discussing concepts point, line, a line segment, array, array. That's it. By using this concept, today we are discussing some problems. In exercise number 4.1. First one. Join the points given below. Name the line segment so formed in the figure. In this first bit, we are giving some points A, B, C. Here in this first bit giving some points. Some point names is A, B, C. We already know the points can be represent the capital letters A, B, C. by using these 3 points, join the given below points. Name the line segment formed in the figure. Name the line segment. Start with 1 point to end with end point. Start with 1 point to end with another point is called segment. A to B is a here. Sorry, I will explain clearly. For how to join this. We already know the start with 1 point, end with 1 point is called line segment. So this is the line segment. In this also given, name the line segments to formed in the figure. Here also start with 1 point, end with 1 point. Here A to B is a line segment. So AB bar. And coming to next one, B to C. B to C is also a line segment. Why? Because B and C start with 1 point, end with 1 point. So BC is also a line segment. C to A to C or C to A, anything. Okay. This also A to C bar. So C is also a line segment. Totally in these given points, we have to join this like in this line segment is formed in the figure 3 line segments. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. In this we have to form 3 line segment. Coming to second one, here also giving some of the points is giving 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. P, Q, R, S, T. P, Q, R, S, T. By using these points, join and find the line segments. Here also same. Start with 1 point and end with 1 point. Start with 1 point to end with n point is the line segment. So here P to Q is the 1 point. Start with 1 point, end with 1 point. Q to R. Start with 1 point, end with 1 point. R to S. Start with 1 point, end with another point. Sorry, here now you can draw this like, okay. Start with 1 point, end with 1 point. RS. Start with 1 point, end with 1 point. So that means 1 point to 1 point PQ bar, or Q bar to 1 point to 1 point QR bar. 1 point start with 1 point to end with 1 point RS bar. Start with 1 point to end with 1 point ST bar. Start with 1 point to end with 1 point TS bar. So by using the given points, we have to join like this. In this figure, we have to form the how many line segments? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to form the 5. In this we have 5. We have to form the 5 line segments. I have to. This triangle is A, B, C. But in P, Q, sorry, in A, B, C. Here P, Q, R, S, T. P, Q, R, S, T. In this we have to find the given numbers, given points to join and find the how many line segments in this figure. Let's check with second sum. Go to second problem. second problem. Name the following from the figure. Here giving some of the figure is giving 1, 2. Okay. This one, this, A, B, C. Okay. Name the following from the figure. Here, second, in this problem, giving some figure is there. By using this figure, we have to find the some following 4 bits is there. Let us check. First bit, any 5 points. Any 5 point. That means here, what is the point? We already know the with another point is called line segment. So in this giving figure, how many line we have to find the 5 line segments. So let's just start with 1.2 another point, 1.2 another point AB bar, 1.2 another bar BC bar, 1 another bar CD bar, DC bar. In this figure, we have to write any type A to B, A to B or B to A, B to C or C to A, anything. So here I want to write AB bar, BC bar, CD bar, A to D, A to D, A to D, and B to C already is over, A to B is also over. So these are the 5 line segments. 5 line segments. Coming to third one, any 3 arrays. Any 3 arrays. That means in this figure we are having 4 arrays is there. How many arrays? 4 arrays. So then let's see how to. Any 3 arrays means O to A, O to B, O to C, O to B, O to D. These are the arrays. Write any 3 arrays. Any 3 rays. That means ray. Because it having only 1 point. Start with 1 point. End with it does not end. It is endless. So these are the rays. So start with 1 point. 0 to O to A, double bar, O to D, O to B, O to C. These are the rays. Fourth one, any 2 lines. Any 2 lines. What is the line? We already know the line does not have any end. Start with 1 point. It does not have no end. So A to C, B to D. It does not have any end. That means A to C bar. Sorry. In this previous, this is mistake. Sorry. Third one, write the 3 arrays. 3 rays means we start with 1 point, does not have any end. That means we also say how to AB bar, AC bar, D bar. Okay. So coming to fourth one, write any 2 lines. Any 2 lines. That means in this giving figure 2 lines. What is the line? It does not have any no end. Start with 1 point. That no does not have any end. So that's why A to C bar, B to. In this figure no end means A to bar, A to C bar and B to D bar. So in this way we have to find the giving figure to following 5 points, and second one, any 5 line segments, any 3 rays and any 2 lines. So coming to third one, third one. How many lines can be drawn through? First one point. Here, 1 point. By using 1 point, point is nothing but a dot. Point, how many lines have to draw? It is nothing, infinity. This is your wish. How to draw so many lines. So, this is infinity. Coming to second one, two distinct points. Two distinct points. So, second one, what is the two distinct points? Here I am taking the 2 points. Here, A to B. So, this is a here. In this way, how to represent the two distant points in the using the line. Fourth one, which of the following has a definite length? Finite length means, fourth one, we have to find the finite length or not. First one, which of the following has a finite length? First one, line. Line, you already know what is the line definition. First one is the line. Line, we can find